Hello students, how are you? I think you are well at home by the grace of God. Today we shall discuss the topic, the chapter, A Letter to God. It's written by G.L. Fuentes, was an American writer. And he composed this story. So through summary, I had explained about the purpose, about the view of a farmer whose name was Lencho. But on the other hand, he had a great belief in gods. That was the positive point in him, positive parts in him. So always follow it, like Lencho, whenever he will be in great problem, in great pain, in great sorrow, due to destroying the corn, after that he doesn't feel a lot of problem and write a letter to God and demands 100 pesos. But he couldn't find 100 pesos. Instead of 100 pesos, he got 70 pesos from the postmaster. So the condition is supporting to Lencho, supported by the postmaster. So through that someday we shall have to understand the topic easily, and more circumstances we can understand. So we shall discuss in brief this chapter. So from the beginning, the house, the only one in the entire valley, मतलब संपूर्ण घाटी में जो है एक ही घर था. Sat on the crest of low, crest means top of a hill, crest means top of a hill. जो कहाँ था? हिल के ऊपर बना हुआ था. फ्रॉम दिस हाइट मतलब फ्रॉम देयर, दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम द हाउस. ओके, वन कुड सी मतलब कोई भी आदमी देख सकता है द रिवर एंड द फील्ड ऑफ राइप कॉर्न. किस चीज़ को देख सकता है? वहाँ के रिवर को और खेत को. जो खेत जो है सो कॉर्न से भरे पड़े हैं. जिस समय की ये बात चल रही है. और सीनियरी इज टू ब्यूटीफुल टू सी that kinds of scenes and sights anybody will be happy, especially Lencho like farmer, because it depends on the luck, because every Each system and each thing is not possible by the farmer and depends on God mood. In time it rains or not. This is the great situation, and it creates a lot of difference. Maybe. So, good place that was with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. वहाँ से देखा जा सकता था, उसे घर से देखा जा सकता था, वहाँ के फूल को देखा जा सकता था, क्योंकि पेड़ जब निकलते हैं तो पेड़ में जब फल लगता है तो उससे पहले फूल लगता है. This is very very beautiful scenes. And to see that ripe corn, we can estimate, we can analyze. This is the sign of a good harvest. कि इस बार फसल अच्छी होगी. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour. Downpour means rain. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. पानी की आवश्यकता थी थोड़ा. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. लेंचो नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में जो है सो आकाश की तरफ देखता है. स्काई टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. नाउ वी आर रियली गोइंग टू गेट सम वाटर. Woman is here, Lencho's wife. And Lencho is expecting some water. It is very very essential for his fields, because through that he got plenty of corn. The woman who was preparing supper, उसने अपने वाइफ से कहा था लेंचो ने. तो लेंचोज की वाइफ क्या कर रही थी? What was she doing? She was preparing supper. Supper means food, भोजन. Replied yes, good willing. She replied yes, बहुत अच्छा. Good willing, अच्छी बात है. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house. लेंचोज का जो बड़ा लड़का था वो फील्ड में काम कर रहा था, working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house. और जो छोटे थे वो घर के नज़दीक खेल रहे थे. Until the woman called to them all, कम फॉर डिनर. और उसकी मम्मी जो है सो खाने के समय में बुलाती है. इट वॉज ड्यूरिंग द मील दैट जस्ट एज लेंचो हैड प्रेडिक्टेड. मतलब खाना के समय में वही हुआ जैसा लेंचो ने प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि इट सीम्स दैट इट रेन्स टुडे. That was the prediction of Lencho. Big drops of rains began to fall. और बड़े बड़े पानी के बूंद जो है सो पड़ने लगे. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds. In the northeast, northeast means उत्तर और पूरब. Northeast, huge mountains of clouds मतलब नॉर्थ ईस्ट के डायरेक्शन में क्लाउड्स का जो है सो माउंटेन दिखाई देने लगा. कुड बी सीन अप्रोचिंग मतलब दिखाई देने लगा, प्रतीत होने लगा. द एयर वॉज फ्रेश एंड स्वीट. एयर जो था सो फ्रेश था, स्वीट था. द मैन वेंट आउट फॉर नो अदर रीजन देन टू हैव द प्लेजर ऑफ फीलिंग द रेन ऑन हिज बॉडी. बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी. द मैन बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी. ग्रेट प्लेजर of feeling when the rain dropped on his body. And when he returned, he explained, that means he told, after returning, these are not raindrops, कि यह पानी की बूंदें नहीं हैं, फॉलिंग फ्रॉम द स्काई, जो कि स्काई से मतलब गिर रहे हैं, वो पानी की बूंदें जो है सो मतलब पानी की बूंदें नहीं हैं. दीज आर नॉट रेन ड्रॉप्स, दे आर न्यू कॉइन्स. व्हाट वाज ही एक्सपेक्टिंग? द ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशन shows by Lencho after looking the raindrops and told they are new coins. The big drops are 10 cent. Cent is the form of currency. Cent is the form of currency. और ये स्टोरी जो है सो मैक्सिकन सिटी के तरफ का है, मतलब अमेरिकन कंट्री के तरफ का है. मैक्सिकन सिटी मीन्स कंट्री मीन्स ब्राज़ील हुआ, कनाडा हुआ. ओके, तो वहाँ पर करेंसी को सेंट कहा जाता है. तो द बिग ड्रॉप्स आर 10 सेंट, बड़े बड़े बूंदे जो हैं वो 10 सेंट के हैं. एंड द लिटिल वंस आर 5, और छोटे छोटे जो हैं वो कितने के हैं? 5 के, 5 रुपये के. अपने इधर रुपये उधर सेंट. ओके. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flower. He was very, very happy and satisfied. A satisfied expression, he regarded, मतलब he saw the field of ripe corn with its flower draped in a curtain of rain, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. "It's really getting bad now," exclaimed the man. "I hope it passes quickly." Listen to me. Firstly, I want to tell you, we have to read text, and I have explained the passage first. Before this, I have told, I have already taught you summary, but today I have explained the passage number 1, and we read the last one about the currency. These are the facts. And the second passage, with a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flower draped. Draped means covered in a curtain of rain. Satisfied expression का मतलब, satisfied means satisfied means here ओके. एक्सप्रेशन मतलब संतुष्ट है काम को, मतलब उनका चेहरा बता रहा था कि वी आर हैप्पी बिकॉज दीज आर 10 cents, big are 10 cents and small are 5 cents. You know, here the talking about money part, and I mean to say, according to me, today the first god is money, because without money we can't survive in the world, we can't run, and you are nothing if you have no money. So If you want to get more and more money, then pay the price for it and concentrate about study. After that, you will get a lot of wealth through right direction, and it will be too easy to get it, but condition you will have to fulfill. It's a must, and that will be, the condition will be depend on your time factor. So like Lencho's thought, you will have to become also a millionaire. How you can get a lot of currency through your work, you have to learn. So it is possible whenever you will do positive. By the help of positiveness, you will become, you will have a lot of confidence, and through that confidence you will decide the right one. So always choose it and don't waste the time. Be laborious, because literature is very, very important, and through a story you will have to estimate the situation of other, estimate the situation of main characters, and like the character you will have to show yourself. After that you are able to understand, you will able to understand it accurately. If you have no idea about it, that means you can't understand the main theme of this story. This is very, very important, because the story begins with the life of farmer, with the condition of farmer, and with the luck of farmer, who is very, very lucky and a great belief in God. So in next class you will have to study with a satisfied expression to oral comprehension check. This is your homework, and 3 passages you will have to read and search word meaning. If you have any problem, then you can ask me again and again. Okay, thanks.